This washer I've created has jagged edges. If I go to the top view, you'll notice that the circle doesn't look perfectly rounded. These straight lines are known as faceted edges. So CATIA doesn't really create true arcs. It creates little lines from point to point. So we can tighten up this faceted edge. There's a way to control the number of facets or the length of the facets. So to smooth that out, we can go into our preferences and change that. Now, the more you alter this, what I'm about to show you, the slower your CAD's going to go. And I know some of you are thinking, it can go slower? Yes, it could go slower. Let me show you how to slow your system down. If you want to view things so that they look a lot prettier or more aesthetically pleasing, the curve accuracy ratio, I'll drop it all the way down to 0 or 0.1 so you can kind of get an idea what it does. It used to do a lot better job of being able to visually see the circle faceted edges change as you move this back and forth. I can't even tell anything changing. So I'll move it all the way here, and then I'll hit OK. Did you see how that smoothed those arcs out? I'll go back to the top view so you can see that. It makes the circle look a lot smoother. So for the most part, the stuff we're working on is so small, it shouldn't slow your system down a whole lot. But if you were working on something massive like a ship, an aircraft, even a semi, you start decreasing that accuracy or increasing that accuracy, you will slow your system down, okay? But for aesthetic reasons, if you want to make it look nicer, you will find that in the preferences. Wrong button. Sorry, gosh. Make one mistake here. Under Legacy, just try and remember you are trying to change how it displays. So I use Display and the tab Performance. And I think of performance because I know it's going to slow my performance down if I move this number down to as low as I can go. Again, I'll go back up to the 1, slide this down, select OK. Now I'm going to work at optimal speed, but the aesthetics of this washer looks like it was really rough cut. Alright, so that is how you change your faceted edges on your cylinders to make them look smoother using the Display Performance preferences, your Legacy preferences.